At a press conference held on Thursday, the Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization HITO East Jaintia Hills District had informed through the media their submission of a memorandum to the Director of Health Services Government of Meghalaya on the irregularities at the Civil Hospital Khliehriat in East Jaintia Hills. Mention may be made that on 14 February 2022, the Community Health Centre at Khliehriat had been upgraded into a full-fledged 100-bedded hospital to cater to medical care and attention to residents of Khliehriat and its adjoining areas. Informing on the organization's meeting with the Director of Health Services, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Amanwar, the General Secretary of HITO Central Body, Wanbun and Dakar, said that on the organization's recent inspection of the civil hospital at Khliehriat, it was found that the institution was lacking in basic infrastructure and manpower. Wanbun Dakar also added that after the meeting with the Director of Health Services, Government of Meghalaya, it was assured to them that equipment such as X-ray and scanning machines will be transported to the recently inaugurated civil hospital at Khliehriat.
Especially the X-ray machine and scanning machine will be provided, will be sent to the Khliehriat Civil Hospital for giving good service to the public of the district. And we also recall that the recent inspection of the HITO East Jaintia Hills spot inspection in the Khliehriat Civil Subdivision, we have found out that there are so many irregularities and unavailability of infrastructure and all related medical facilities in this particular hospital. We maybe also recall that the recent inauguration of and upgradation of Khliehriat Community Health Center to full-fledged civil hospital is not up to the extent of satisfaction by the people of the area and by the HITO East Jaintia Hills. So therefore, in this connection, we would like to express or shock to the public that the inauguration and the upgradation of Khliehriat CHC to a full-fledged civil hospital is just in a theory and it's yet to be in practical. So therefore, our meeting with the DHS, Dr. Amanwar, is a positive response from his side, and he have committed and give us assurance that all this needful will be, all the required infrastructure machineries will be provided within these few days to come. Yes, definitely most of the patient or the sick people who have come to this hospital for medical treatment, most of them they had refer them to Juwai because there is no X-ray machine and all this related medical equipment in this particular hospital. So the people find a hard time to travel up to Juwai from East Jaintia, from Khliehriat to Juwai. And also, when these people reach Juwai Civil Hospital, most of these medical staff and the nurse and doctors in Juwai Civil Hospital, they refuse to help them, they refuse to treat them because they feel that they have a separate district and they have a separate civil hospital